May or might. What's the difference? Learn how to use them the right way. May is often used to show present or future possibility. For example, I may go to the party tonight. Another example, you may need a jacket. It's also slightly more formal or polite. Might also shows something that could happen, but we're not sure. For example, I might go if I finish my work. Another example, she might be at home. We also use might when we talk about something that's just an idea, not real yet. So, what's the difference? May can sound more likely or formal. Might can sound less certain or more casual. In many cases, you can use either. For example, he may or might come later. When talking about the past, we usually use might have. For example, she might have missed the bus. May have is rarely used for past situations. To recap, use may for polite or likely possibilities. Use might for more uncertain or past ones. And yes, sometimes they mean the same thing. Thanks for watching. Try writing or saying a few sentences using may and might. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Like, follow, or subscribe for more English lessons.